Okay. Check this coil out. She's frozen. It's always frozen. Well, let's see. Oh, I got it open. I don't even know if there's any refrigerant in this thing. Or if it was just dirty filters. Well, that's your answer. Well, as you can see, when I got there, that thing was like glacial ice. So I left, ran, did another call, and I came back. The thing was thawed. The glacier had receded. I didn't even know if it was low on charge, but I wasn't about to put it back together without leak testing it because it was right there. And I didn't even know how much refrigerant was in there, and I don't know what caused it. So I'm like, screw it, I'll just do a leak check while I'm here. It's open, and as you can see, the top of that coil is it's got a leak in the fin pack. So it's an R22. She's getting a new system. That coil, I think, was undersized anyways. That was I think it was a 2.5 ton. I gotta look at the video, but I'm pretty sure it was 2.5 ton, and that is a 1,700 square foot house or modular home. Needs a 3 ton. So we are putting a 3-ton in it. I measured the house out, and we're gonna go back with 3-ton. And it's gonna perform better anyways. The newer coil's got TXV on it. Get a little better performance out of it. So that was a real quick leak search, I guess. I didn't even I just kind of took a shot at it because it was already open, and I can put it back together without doing it. So, because I had to check it anyways just to make sure, hey, is it clean enough to get airflow through? So that's it for this one. Just a quick leak search, and I will see you on the next one. Like and subscribe, guys. Thanks.